again, something that I take out when I'm delivering training in schools about white privilege. And this is just some examples of white privilege. And I actually got this from the Metro newspaper, and there was a whole load of them, and I think they're really effective as well. So you can see there just some of the descriptions of white privilege is, being naturally able to learn about your history instead of it being confined to 1 month within the year, where it should be part of the curriculum. And I'm sure most of you will know that that's something that we're still trying to work towards. It shouldn't just be that, Black history is taught in Black History Month. It should be, just a normal part of the integrated curriculum, but it's still not there yet. We're not at that yet. White privilege has never been indirectly asked to explain where your skin colour comes from, not having to prove if you're a British citizen, not being overlooked to promotion due to your skin colour, not being expected to talk on behalf of and to represent your entire ethnic group. And this is something that I'm finding being a white person who's delivering a lot of anti-racism training, that a lot of people aren't happy that I'm not a Black person delivering anti-racism training, but I just feel that on the whole it's white people behaviours that have to change. And so I think as a white person that I need to be leading the way with that as well. It shouldn't be up to Black people to have to go out and tell everyone what to do. We should be doing it from, white people should be doing it from, we should be leading from the front on it, and it's not happening. So I'm unapologetic for being a white person who's delivering anti-racism training. I want to see change happen. I want to see white people changing the way that they act towards Black people and people of colour, and so I do not apologise for going out and being someone that's trying to lead in that within Glasgow. When we talk to young people about white privilege, we also look at more day-to-day things that show white privilege, and that can be things like access to toys that are representative books, or it could be even things like makeup or plasters or things like that. We talk about day-to-day things that reflect white privilege, and I know that a lot of people can find the word privilege really, really difficult to internalise and to take on. And I know even with the first time that I started really going into anti-racism training, and when I thought about privilege, I think I was thinking about it from a kind of social, kind of monetary way, and obviously that's not what it means, because I was thinking, I wasn't privileged, I wasn't from a particularly well-off family or anything like that. But once you dig deeper and really, look under the surface and think about what white privilege actually is, then yes, we are very privileged as white people, and that's something that we have to teach our young people about, that they have some self-realisation about that.